and welcome to Romantic Bites. It's a new series that Tammy and I are exploring about wonderful food for couples, romantic times. We've got some dates here, and dates are a wonderful fruit. When you think of dates, you think of some exotic locale like North Africa or even places as far away as India. And of course, when you take dates, you can do wonderful things with them. As you see, we pan across here, as you can imagine. Here comes the blue cheese. Wonderful thing to put in dates. And if you haven't already imagined, we do a little bit of shopping at Aldi. They've got some great stuff. As you see right here, you'll see that I've actually got 13 dates, but we're actually going to work with 12 of them. And then just kind of scarf one of those down. And yeah, the light bulb goes off. When you start cooking, the light bulb always goes off because you put things together. And of course, a great amendment to dates is blue cheese. You just stick that blue cheese with dates and wonderful things happen. And of course, who doesn't like bacon? They applause and sizzle with bacon. So before we get started though, especially cutting those dates up, whenever you're in your kitchen, make sure your knives are sharp. It's the worst thing in the world. We got 3 strips of bacon here. We're going to quarter this up. So you'll have like 12 pieces to wrap around those 12 chunks of dates that are going to be filled blue cheese. As you can see right here. Here comes a spoiler. Yep, right there. Yep, nice finger to point it out for you there. But we're going to scroll on across here, pan on across. And what you're looking at here is the time laborious process. So there's a lot of stuffing going on here. So to help us along, we've got ourselves a little bit of theme music. You'll probably recognize this. Anyway, we'll let this pan out. Yeah, there we go. That's a beautiful thing right there. Blue cheese stuffed date. So you're starting to see the magic happen. Get a good look here. Uh-oh, I'm kind of slacking. Yeah, that definitely is a low cheese alert. Got to get that one stuffed before we get it wrapped. But taking a look here, we got a nice selection of dates filled with blue cheese. And of course, the magic in the kitchen always revolves around food, and sometimes you got to cook it. B is for bacon. No, definitely B is for bacon. And as far as cooking is concerned, you must cook bacon. As one comedian always told me, there's only 2 ways to eat bacon: fry it or get botulism. I heard that. And that's the truth. So definitely take a look at what we're doing here. Slowing this down for you. Take this bacon and kind of just stretch it out a little bit. It'll thin it out. It'll make it a little crispier. And also allows you to wrap around the top. See what I'm doing here? Start from the top and wrap the pieces under the bottom, so you don't have to stick a toothpick or anything through the bottom. So we'll just kind of pick up the pace here. Man, I wish I was as fast. Well, I'd be like a ninja cook or something. But no ninja skills. Slow and steady wins the race here, especially with cooking. You want to bake these in the oven. 400 degrees seems to be one of my favorite temperatures for so many things. But here they go. These beauties going here. You want to stick them in it worked for me for about 20 minutes. Yeah, they're pretty awesome right there, but you want them crispy, you want them crunchy, a little darker. So we're going to take it off of bake, and we're going to actually put it on broil. In my case, we've got a high and low setting. Just keep a close eye on this because they can burn pretty easily. You want to check them every minute or so. Just take a peek at them, and those are a thing of beauty. So here they come out of the oven, and yeah, that's like applause. They come out. These were so wonderful, and you can enjoy them anywhere on this wonderful world of ours, and all these different locales. So it's a wonderful thing. We like to take our romantic bites and always couple them with other wonderful foods. We got some farm fresh tomatoes. I love growing tomatoes. Now I can't grow any oranges though. That's a little too cold where I'm at, and I don't have that big a greenhouse for an orange tree. But you can put these together with all kinds of other wonderful things. But it's a wonderful treat. Hey, we love having you here at Belrose Cooks. If you like what we do, watch more of our videos, Romantic Bites. And remember, this is the bacon and blue cheese dates. And just don't forget, 400 degrees in that oven for about 20 minutes, and then about 5 minutes under a high broiler, and you should be good to go. So it's been a pleasure having you on board. Remember, the more of you, the more we do. That's kind of our theme. So please consider subscribing. We'll catch you on our next video here on Bell Rose Cooks.